Do you want to learn how to create custom feed on your BlueSky Social account with SkyFeed? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So on SkyFeed, this is skyfeed.app, and on here, we will select bluesky.social. Username, I already have made a video on this. This is mydomain.com. You can check out the playlist in the description. And in the third field, we need to enter app password. Next to it, we have this. This will take you over to this app passwords page on BlueSky Social. And on app passwords page, I already have created 3 of them. Now, if you want to create the app password, click on this blue button which says add app password. Now type in something randomly, doesn't matter. Allow access to your direct messages and click on next. Now it's going to give you this app password, copy this and save it somewhere safe because you will not be able to see this again. When you click on done or close this, go back to SkyFeed and paste this inside the app password field and click on continue. Now it's going to log in inside SkyFeed. Now I already have created this feed. To do this, click on this feed builder on the left, which is going to show you this SkyFeed builder. And now under it, we have visual editor, which says the feed name, which I have put it like this, YouTube posts. And under this, we have add blocks. You can add any of these blocks. So input, remove, replace, etc. I've added 3 of these blocks here. The first one is input. It's checking the posts which have tags and are 7 days old. The tag I've entered here is YouTube. If you want, you can type in cat as well. It's going to show all the posts which have cat in it. Now the second one is remove if item. And what this does is it's going to check if in our feed, any of these posts have replies. If they have reply, then it's going to remove them from the feed. You can click on this and select if it's a post, not a reply, it's going to remove that post and such. Now the third one is sort by. This is creation date. And then you can do ascending, descending. These are all the options here. Once you're satisfied with your feed, click on update feed button and it's going to give you this pop-up where you can upload your avatar image for this feed and the description. Now below this we have license. You can click this and it's going to give you these 3 options. I have found that the third option, no license, it does not let me publish it. There's always some errors with it. So I just keep it EUPL, this license, and publish this. You can also unpublish the feed from here. And that's it. Your feed is now published on your BlueSky Social account. And we can confirm this by going to my account, refreshing it, and going to feeds. And I can see that this feed is over here. I can go inside it and I can check out all the posts. I think this is useful if you want to track some topic on the internet. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.